Argentinian Asado is a culinary tradition centered around fire and slow-grilled meats. Family gatherings often feature large barbecue pits filled with charcoal and smoke. Slow-grilled meats are a staple of asado, with beef being the most popular choice. Chimichurri sauce is a key component, adding flavor to the grilled meats. Smoked ribs are a favorite dish, often cooked for hours to achieve tenderness. Charcoal grilling is a crucial step, imparting a smoky flavor to the meat. Spice rubs are used to add depth and complexity to the grilled meats. Asado is more than just a meal, it's a social gathering and family tradition. Meat is typically sliced thin and served with a variety of sides and sauces. Outdoor grills are common in Argentina, where asado is often cooked and enjoyed. Smoking meat is an art form, requiring patience and attention to detail. The combination of smoked meat, charcoal, and sauce creates a unique flavor profile. Argentinian asado is a tradition deeply rooted in fire and family gatherings. Slow grilling is an art form that requires patience and attention to detail always. Charcoal grilling adds a unique smoky flavor to the meats being prepared. Smoked ribs are a staple in asado, often served with a side of chimichurri sauce. The spice rub used on the meats is a secret blend passed down through generations. Barbecue pits are a common sight in Argentinian backyards and outdoor spaces. Grilled meat is typically sliced thin and served with a variety of sides and sauces. The smell of smoked meat wafts through the air, tantalizing the taste buds always. Chimichurri sauce is a tangy and herby condiment made with parsley and oregano. Brushing sauce on the meats during grilling adds an extra layer of flavor and moisture. Family gatherings often center around the asado, with everyone pitching in to help. Outdoor grills are a staple in Argentinian culture, bringing people together over food. Argentinian asado is deeply rooted in tradition and family gatherings always. Slow-grilled meats are the centerpiece of every asado, a true delight always. Chimichurri sauce is an essential component, adding flavor to every dish perfectly. Made with fresh herbs and spices, chimichurri elevates the asado experience greatly. Smoked meat and charcoal are key ingredients in creating authentic asado flavors. Grilled meat is typically served with a side of chimichurri for dipping purposes. Barbecue and smoked ribs are popular dishes often served at asado gatherings. Spice rubs are carefully crafted to complement the rich flavors of the meat nicely. Outdoor grills are where the magic happens, with sizzling meats and lively chatter. Charcoal grilling is an art form, requiring patience and skill to execute perfectly. Slicing brisket and brushing sauce are crucial steps in preparing asado delicacies. Family recipes for chimichurri are often passed down through generations with pride always. Asado gatherings bring people together, fostering a sense of community always. Family recipes for chimichurri sauce are a cornerstone of Argentinian tradition. Slow-grilled meats, like barbecue and smoked ribs, are the stars of asado. Charcoal grilling adds a distinct flavor to the smoked meat and spice rub. Barbecue pit masters carefully tend the fire, ensuring perfect doneness. Slicing brisket is an art form, with each cut revealing tender, juicy meat. Brushing sauce on the grilled meat adds a burst of flavor and aroma. Smoking meat over charcoal requires patience, skill, and attention always. Argentinian asado is more than a meal, it's a celebration of family and culture. The smell of sizzling meat and charcoal fills the air, tantalizing taste buds. Asado is a time-honored tradition, where every element is carefully considered. The combination of smoked meat, chimichurri, and charcoal creates a flavor profile. Argentinian asado showcases a variety of slow-grilled meats, each with unique flavors. Thick cuts of beef are typically used, often including ribs and brisket portions. Smoking meat over low heat brings out the rich flavors of the asado tradition. Charcoal grilling adds a distinct smokiness to the meats, enhancing their tenderness. Chimichurri sauce, made with parsley and oregano, is a classic accompaniment. Sauce is brushed onto the meats during grilling, adding a burst of fresh flavor. Spice rubs are also used to season the meats, often featuring paprika and garlic. Family gatherings often center around the asado, with everyone contributing dishes. Barbecue pits and outdoor grills are common settings for these lively gatherings. Smoked ribs are a staple of asado, requiring hours of slow cooking to perfection. Grilled meat is typically sliced thinly, served with a side of chimichurri sauce. Outdoor smokehouses are sometimes used, allowing for larger quantities of meat to be smoked. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.